If you want to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First, create a Google Tag Manager account at tagmanager.com and then set up a new container for your Shopify store. Now, once created, you will be given a container code snippet that you will need to paste into your Shopify theme. So in order for you to find this, you are going to look here at the top of your screen. This is your code, and you're going to click on that. And then as you can see here, it has a directions on how you can install it to your website. So first is you're going to copy this code. So we're going to copy the head first, the header, and then we are going back to Shopify. Now from here, what we're going to do is to go to online store. And then from here, we are going to find the theme that we currently have. So as you can see, I have Dawn. And then from here, we're going to click on this three dots. And then we're going to click on edit code. Now in the theme.liquid file, we're going to find it first. Let's just wait for the editor to load. So we are going to find it right here under the theme, which is done. And then under layout, you can see theme.liquid. Now from here, you can see this head tag. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste the first part of the tag manager code right after the opening of the head. So right after this, we're going to hit on enter, and then we're going to paste the code that we have copied. Now, the second part, immediately after opening the body tag, we are going to paste the tag that we have. So this one, we're going to copy this, and then we're going to paste it in our Shopify store. So we're just going to look for the body tag, maybe right here at the bottom. We're just going to scroll down until we find the body tag. So it might be hard to find, but as you can see, it is right here. So we're just going to create a space, and then we're going to paste it right there. Now, after that, return to Google Tag Manager and then publish your container and then start adding tags like Google Analytics. But before we do that, we're just going to click on save first so that we can save on changes. And then now this is going to be added to our theme. Now, as I said, you can now return to Google Tag Manager and then publish your container. This setup allows you to manage multiple tracking codes in one place without constantly editing your Shopify theme. Now, just make sure to test your installation using the Tag Assistant extension or GTM preview mode to confirm your tags are firing correctly. And that's it. That is how you're going to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. I recently created an hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.